me feel so sad. Won't somebody tell me so I can understand? If you love me, how could you hurt me like that? How could the one I gave my world to throw my world away? How could the one who said I love you say the things you say? How could the one I was so true to just tell me lies? How could the one I gave my heart to break this heart of mine? Tell me, how could you be so cold to me when I gave you everything? All my love, all I had inside. How could you just walk out the door? How could you not love me anymore? I thought we had forever. I can't understand. How could the one I shared my dreams with take my dreams from me? How could the love that brought such pleasure bring such misery? Won't somebody tell me? Somebody tell me, please. If you love me, how could you do that to me? Tell me. How could you just walk out the door? How could you not love me anymore? I thought we had forever. I can't understand. The one I gave my heart to break my heart. You made me so happy. You made me feel so sad. Won't you tell me so I can understand? How did you hurt me? Roll my world away. You said you loved me, but you didn't love me. You told me lies, baby. How could the one I gave my heart to? How could the one I gave my heart to break this heart of mine?